Good morning students. In my previous video of Gender Science chapter 5, Reproduction in Plants, we have discussed about parts of a seeds that are seed coat, cotyledons and embryo. Today we will learn more about seed germination and stages of germination. Okay, so the first question is, what is germination? The development of a seed into a seedling means baby plant. It means the development of seed into a baby plant is called germination. When a seed gets proper air, water and warmth, that is sunlight, it germinates to form a new plant. It means a seed needs proper amount of air, water and sunlight to form a new plant. Now the second topic is stages of germination. Okay, when all the conditions are favorable, the seed absorbs water from the soil. Okay, as the result, the seed coat becomes soft and break up, and the baby root or radicals come out. See in the diagram, the radical come out. Radical means the root. Okay, root come out. It develops and goes deep into the soil. The young root grows downward and the shoot grows upward. Plumule grows upward. Okay. The baby plant uses the food stored in the cotyledons. The root starts taking in water and minerals from the soil. When the green leaves grow and get the sunlight, it begins to make food by the process of photosynthesis. I hope so. Through this process, seed growth of a plant from seed happens. Okay. First it produces radicals, then plumels, then it start producing seedling, and then it grows into new plant. I hope this is clear. Now our next topic is dispersal of seeds. Look here. So, what do you mean by dispersal of seeds? The scattering of seeds to different places away from the parent plant is called dispersal of seeds. Okay? As we know, plant produce a large number of seeds. Have you ever thought what would happen if these seeds grow close to each other? The answer is they will not get proper amount of air, water and warmth needed for their growth. So, to avoid overcrowding and the fight for air, water and warmth, nature has provided us some agents that helps to scatter the seed to different places. So, this scattering of seeds to different places away from the parent plants, this process is called dispersal of seeds. So, because of this reason, the dispersal is very important. Dispersal helps the seed to reach a place where they get enough air, water, warmth needed for their germination. Okay, it also prevents the overcrowding of seeds near the parent plants. Now, the next topic is agents of dispersal. As we know, okay, wind, water, animals, birds and human beings help in the dispersal of seeds. Also, explosion of a fruit also help in seed dispersal. Explosion of a fruit also helps in seed dispersal. Now, one by one, we will learn about these agents. Okay, how they disperse seeds. First one is through wind. Seeds of madar, cotton and dandelion are light and hairy. This helps them to move away far off places with the wind. The seeds of maple and drumsticks are also light and winged. These wings help them to fly to the distant places. Okay, so as they are very light and winged, through this they can easily fly to distant places. I hope this is clear. Now I will explain how water helps in dispersal. Okay, plant like coconut, water lily or lotus grow near or in water. As we know this, their seeds or fruits are dispersed through water. These seeds and fruits can float in water. Coconuts are hollow from inside with a fibrous root covering. This makes coconuts light in weight and so they can float on water. These features help them to travel to far off places along with water. I hope this is clear. Now the next one is animals. How animals helps in dispersal. Animals and human beings eat the fleshy part of the fruits and carelessly throw their seeds here and there. These seeds develop into new plant when they get favorable condition for growth. As we can give example of seeds of apples, oranges and cherries which are developed in this, dispersed in this way. Now the next one is explosion of fruit. I will explain how seed gets explode. Okay, fruits of pea, peas, balsam and ladyfinger burst open on drying. Dispersal of seed in pea is caused by explosion of fruit. It means fruits of balsam gets burst open when they start drying up. So after this, the explosion of fruit take place. I hope this is clear. Thank you.